Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to take subscription of Amazon Prime. Okay, first things first, open your web browser and navigate to amazon.com and visit Amazon Prime section. Once on the Amazon site, just locate the Amazon Prime section. For convenience, you can use a direct link to Amazon Prime provided in this video, which you will see on your screen. So next is just log in using your existing Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account, just create one by following the prompts. Look for the option that says Start your free 30-day trial and click or tap on it. After logging in, you'll be presented with the benefits of Amazon Prime. Proceed by entering your preferred payment methods such as credit or debit card, gift card, or Vino account. Once you have inputted your payment information, just select Continue for you to proceed. Finally, just click or tap to subscribe and purchase Amazon Prime. Upon completion, you'll have successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime and can start enjoying its benefits. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now take subscription of Amazon Prime. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.